Hello everyone. Today we will start the new chapter. This chapter we're going to know about BR or CR sound. Let's begin. BR and CR sounds. BR like BROWN, brown. BRICK, brick. BROKEN, broken. BREAD, bread. BROOM, broom. CR के words like in CRAB, crab. CRAANE, crane. CRAYON, crayon. CROW, crow. CROWN, crown. Now circle the beginning sound. अब this is tree. तो tree की sound क्या आ रही है? TR. This is brick. Brick की sound BR. This is bread. Bread की sound BR. This is crab. Crab की sound क्या है? CR. Like this आपको एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करनी है. आप लोगों को समझ आया तो आपको रिवाइज करना है और एक्सरसाइज करके वी विल मीट in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.